Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, October 29th. Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. We do got a few economic data here to report today, so we'll start off with the Case-Shiller Home Price Index, the HPI from Case-Shiller. This is pretty much a index that gauges the 20 largest markets in the U.S. and for August. So if you look at July, it went up over year, it was up 3.1, and that actually increased in August to 3.2%. So year over year went up a little bit, which is good to decide and see. And this is, if you look at it, it's also kind of correlating towards when the rates were kind of dropping again, and that's kind of when we saw a nice little dip in the rates, and that kind of helped with the home prices here. Consumers' confidence for the month of October, we had a 126.3, which is a pretty high number for the month of September. Forecast is calling for 128.3, and it came down. Instead of went up, it went up down slightly to 125.9. Last but not least, we got pending home sales for the month of September. We in August it went up 1.4%. In September it went up 1.5%. So pretty good numbers overall that we're starting to see improvement in pending home sales here. Our only problem right now in home sales is that lack of inventory. We could get more sales, but we have a lot more buyers than inventory that's available. Let's jump ahead here to headline news. Stocks are a little mixed this morning. The Nasdaq is the only one in negative territory. The other two indexes are positive. S&P 500 hit all-time highs again yesterday and are continuing to rise a little bit this morning. And of course, it's taken its cue from the Q3 corporate earnings, where for the majority of these corporate earnings, they're coming in fairly nicely. They're beating expectations, albeit that the expectations were lowered for Q3. So keep in mind that these expectations were lower because the data was showing things slowing down. So the expectations were lowered, but they are exceeding those expectations. Also, we got the FOMC begins their two-day meeting. They give their announcement tomorrow. It is expected that they will have a quarter-point cut in their rates tomorrow. So, of course, stay tuned for that. That will be usually by 11:15 Pacific Standard Time when they release that data, or when Fed Chairman Powell will give his statement. Let's jump ahead, see how this is affecting the bond market. As you saw yesterday, it was a pretty bad day. It was down about 22 basis points. It did pull up a little bit. It closed down only 9 basis points. Today, right now, we're up about 2 basis points. So when you factor the combination of this pullback, which was down most of the day at about 22 basis points, and the pullback, and then of course today's starting up a little bit higher, I think you'll see a little bit better pricing today compared to what we started off yesterday. So again, this will kind of, right now there's medium range. We got plenty of room to go upside as well as go downside. So we just kind of watch this. As you see here, we did touch that back in September, middle of September. This line here, this Fibonacci level, which had a double support of the 100-day moving average and that Fibonacci level when we touched that back in September here. So we got room on both sides here. So right now it just looks like we're going this sideways pattern here. We're still kind of in that over sold position here. And same thing with the treasuries where it's over bought position. It's still kind of in the same range. It's just a hair under 1.85 right now, like 1.846 I think it is. Still above its 100-day moving average. The yields are. So again, kind of a slower day in terms of mortgage-backed securities and yields compared to what we saw yesterday. So that's pretty much a wrap. Our mortgage rates are a little bit better when you factor the improvement in the market yesterday with today's slight improvement. All right. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance in California, I'd love to hear from you guys. I am a loan officer, and we provide a lot of solutions for a lot of people. There's a lot. So if you do get turned down by another lender, please reach out, especially because I've been known to be able to help people. Not all lenders are alike. We do have a lot of loan programs to fit the needs for a lot of different people out there as well. Whether if you're self-employed borrower or whatnot, we do have a lot of programs for you guys. And I'm one of these people who kind of thinks out of the box to try to create solutions for people as well. So the best way to reach me is DM me or email me. Email, of course, here is the best. That will definitely reach me the quickest. And love to talk to you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.